Howdy, good morning. We are here on Stunning Flats and we are just south of I-70, and today is my final day in the swell and I am going to climb the San Rafael Knob. Super excited about that. Had a nice sleep here just at the top of Devil's Canyon is where I am right now, again at Stunning Flats. I believe that's the name of the exit off of I-70, although don't quote me on that. And there you can see in the background, we have the San Rafael Knob. The information that I've got from Road Trip Ryan says that this climb to the highest point on the San Rafael Swell, the San Rafael Knob, at just under 8,000 feet, is a class 4 adventure. Supposedly, and we'll be the judge, it is fairly easy climbing, although highly exposed. And then you kind of circumnavigate the peak near the top, get incredible views, and then go for the summit push. So it should be a thrilling adventure today. I'm going to go ahead and take my mountain bike across ATV trails, arriving at the hiking portion, climbing portion really, and then going for the big one. We'll see you up there. Okay, as you head down the wash, it is critical to take this unlikely left on trail 824. Definitely important. So we're going this way. Wow, beautiful again. After a few grueling hills, looks like we've topped out on some high plateau, making much better time, and the objective is dead ahead. Here we come. Okay, definitely make a second left. I made a right just a little bit ago. Now a left. Get the Road Trip Ryan app, and don't worry about it. It's my best advice. We have made it to the base of the San Rafael Knob. Super excited about that. Key features, you're gonna have to pay close attention to your GPS for the right and left on the road. Then you get to this steep hill, and I believe it's right here according to the app and the GPS track, at the top of this hill. And then there it is behind me. That's the San Rafael Knob right there. So I am gonna go ahead and kind of head up this way. There's just a high ridge that I'm gonna follow. And that's going to start the route of the climb proper. So, super sweet. We'll see you up there. Cranking up the ridge. All of a sudden it's going to get steep. Look like that. You know you're on your way. I have been on a light trail. It's been mildly carrying. Somewhere through here, and we're going to do that exciting traverse right up there. really not bad at all. We are at the summit of the San Rafael Knob, and beautiful views, boy, especially out behind me with those towers, just amazing. And then I believe that's off to the south, don't quote me, amazing canyons and everything as well. So I can't believe how cool this one was. Really a pretty easy climb, short sections of class 3 and 4, not very stressful, I didn't think. You do want to be prepared to climb class 4, but not bad at all. So give you a little look around, and then back behind me now is I-70 in the car and the way back. So I'll get busy on that here next, but recommend visiting this one if you got the time. More of a hike than a climb, especially if you don't have a bike. So pretty far away in. And there's the road back down at the base. All right, well, I'm off all the technical sections, and it was comfortable and happy. Strongly recommend doing this route. It's probably a good introduction route to class 4. A little exposed, but very short sections, so nice there. It is pretty darn breezy today. Late April, I guess. What do you expect in the desert? Yeah, fantastic trip. Strongly recommended. There's a lot of sand on the hike in, on the road and the washes. They are beautiful, but it is sandy. So beware of that for the long hike in. And still beautiful in it though. So now I am just at this kind of access ridge to the area. See the little cairn there. And I am just gonna pop on down And to the right, you can see the roads. And I take this one and just shoot on back to Jensen Flats and I-70. On my way back down from the knob, I did stick with the trail that was already worn in the whole way. And there are a bunch of cairns here where it meets the road. So when you see this scene, you know you're in the right place. And then you're back on the road, and hopefully you got a bike. Although even if you don't, it is beautiful. But I am looking forward to a pretty fast roll home. Just one rough climb out of Devil's Canyon, and then it's going to be onto the highway. So super cool. And you can drive down to the bottom of Devil's Canyon, but as you saw in the mountain bike footage, it is pretty rough. So that's my story. Hope you enjoyed the trip. I'd love for you to join me on all my trips. They're always thrilling, I can promise you that. Otherwise, I don't even make the video. So anyway, good to see you. We'll see you on the next one. Please like and subscribe.